Meaning of goner.
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 Goner. Goner is a slang term that refers to someone or something that is hopeless or doomed, usually due to a specific circumstance or situation. It can be used to describe individuals who are in a dire state or those who have made irreversible mistakes. In essence, a goner is someone or something that has reached the end of the road and has no chance of recovery or redemption. This term conveys a sense of finality and resignation, often implying a negative outcome or consequence. Overall, being labeled a goner is not a desirable outcome.